In the heart of a verdant forest, there lived a small cicada named Cici. Cici was known for her melodious song, echoing through the trees, bringing joy to all who heard it. One day, Cici's song stopped. The forest grew quiet, and the creatures wondered why. Cici, however, was feeling down. She had sung every day, and her voice was hoarse. She feared she had lost her ability to sing forever. A wise old owl named Olo saw Cici's distress. He told her, "Remember, Cici, even the mightiest of singers needs rest. Your voice will return when it is ready." Cici pondered this wisdom and realized that she had been singing without a break, day in and day out. She decided to take a break and rest. Days turned into weeks, but Cici's voice remained silent. One day, as the sun rose, Cici began to feel her voice returning. She took a deep breath and started to sing again. Her song was more beautiful than ever, filling the forest with a melody that brought joy to all who heard it. From that day forward, Cici sang only when she felt ready. She learned that taking care of oneself was just as important as caring for others. And so, the forest echoed with the beautiful song of Cici, reminding all who listened that even the smallest creature had a vital role to play. Moral asterisk: taking care of oneself is important for the well-being and happiness of all.